Today I'm so happy from myself because this is my 50th video and I'm going to post it today. Believe me guys, this journey taught me a lot. It's boosted up my self-confidence regarding video making. Before this, I'm not able to stand in front of camera for 1 or 2 seconds. Now I'm making videos for longer than 10 minutes. It's just because of my consistency. This is the first time in my life that I'm so consistent with my work and I'm so happy with myself. Good afternoon everyone. I'm Ankit. I'm a design engineer, expert in SolidWorks and an affiliate marketer as well. So here I am with my new topic. So today's topic is finish what you start. उसे ख़त्म करो जो आपने शुरू किया है. If you are brave enough to start anything, you should be strong enough to finish anything. For finishing any task, you have to step by step to follow that task. So there are few steps to finish any task in your life. First, make a decision to finish. The first and foremost step for achieving any task or to finish any task is to that no matter what happens, you have to finish that task. You have that mindset regarding that I have to finish that task no matter what happens. Second, make a plan, because you have a task, but unless or until you don't have any plan, then how can you achieve that task? How can you finish that task? So no matter what, you have a plan to implement. You have to make a plan to finish that task. Second is make a plan. The third is start to implement the task. Start to implement the plan. So now you decide that you have to finish the task. Then you make a plan. Now it's time to implement that plan, because if you have plan in just your mind and you are not going to implement it, then that is of no use. You have to implement that plan and make a full use of it. You have to implement it full so that the task will it completely. Fourth step is make a deadline. Deadline means that is a time period for a specific task. You have a deadline on you because for a task, because if you have a deadline that puts pressure on you to complete the task on a time. You have to complete the task on time. That's so that you can move on to your next task. So for achieving any task to be completed, there is a deadline for must. The last one is don't finish it, complete it. You have to complete your task, not just to finish it, just you have to complete that task. Once you complete that task, then you move ahead for the next task. Listen me guys very carefully. If the person who can't complete the task, he will not move forward in his life. He will stuck wherever he is in his life right now. If you want to achieve anything in your life, you have to complete your tasks of your life. You have to complete each and every task of your life. If you can't do that, you can't move forward. You can't achieve your task, achieve your goal, achieve your dreams. Because life is a journey, and journey gives you a task. Every step there is a task for you. You have to complete each and every task to complete your journey. For doing that, you have make a plan. You have to decide that I want to get this task as soon as possible, so that you can move ahead for the next task. So also always remember, you have to complete the task no matter what happens. Only if you complete the task, you can only then you can achieve the things. You can only achieve those big dreams in your life. जिसे शुरू किया है उसे ख़त्म करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. You have to complete it, because once you do that, people will see you from a different criteria. People who have the mindset that they will finish no matter what happens, there is a different status for them in the world. Only those people achieve those heights in their life. Only those people achieve big things, big dreams in their life. So always remember, once you start a task, you have to must complete that task. So always complete your task. Thank you.